In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Dolby Atmos in Windows 11. So on your computer, open up your Microsoft Store. So go to your Microsoft Store and make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Store here. Once you're logged in the search bar here, type in Dolby Atmos. Okay, search for Dolby Atmos. And then when you search for Dolby Atmos, you'll get this Dolby Access here. Click on this application here, Dolby Access. So this Dolby Access will actually give you the permission to install or start using a free trial of Dolby Atmos for your headphones on your device. So all you have to do is simply click on get. Okay, click on get and then install. Once you have clicked on it, just install this on your computer. So once you have installed this install this on your computer, so you will get a free trial, a 7 days free trial of Dolby Atmos on your computer, which you can use, and later on you can subscribe if you want to further use it. And that's basically pretty much it is.